Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are all well. If you want to create a best gig banner image, your order receiving probability is increasing. For this reason, today I want to create a gig, beautiful and nice gig banner. So now I share my screen and I will go to Canva. Canva and I will go custom size wide 1200 1280 and height 769 pixel. Here if you click inch, millimeter, centimeter, pixel, you must click on pixel. Create new design. Here we have got a whiteboard and I will design here as my own interest. Then if we see left side, here elements, text, brand, upload, draw, etc. Scroll down and we found background. I select on background. Here a lot of background image will open. From here as like it may be good. Okay. Then scroll off and elements. I select an elements and after elements using elements frame for this scroll down and frame selected frame drop and down. Okay. Now here transparency. I will click on transparency and decrease here. Okay. Before transparency, we must change this frame color. For this region, selecting this whiteboard, this frame, and click here, and left side, many color will be open here. Okay. Okay. After that, I select the transparency and decrease here. Okay. After that, I will select frame, copy, copy, another copy, another copy. Total 5 copies. Okay. Okay. Now I'll click corner rounding and just increase here. You will select as your like. Okay. Just now I will change this color for click for this region. Selected after selected the this frame, I will click on color option and yellow color select. Okay. Another frame, another frame, another, another. Here I will select another color for this region. Select here and I will select color option, red color. Sorry, red color is not good. This color, this purple color, no. White, it's nice and beautiful. Okay, just corner rounding. Okay, okay. If you want this main caption around another color, if you like, you just select here and you use border style. For this region, I select border style and increase here. Here, you show a border color and if you want to another border color, then you just select here and border color option select. Then you choose any color. It's sense. Okay. Okay. It will be selected that color, that color, that color, etc. Okay. Now I will write text here. For this region, left side, I will select text, add heading. Then I want to change this font for this region. I select here and I will change this font here. When I select here, then left side a lot of font is opened. Okay, and I select onto ANTO. Okay, UTO. But yellow and white is not perfect combination. For this region, YouTube select and color option, color text, and I will select here. Okay. You can sense this color and red, purple, black, etc. Okay. YouTube. Okay. Now I want to change this font. Just select and ANTO. Okay. This writing font size 76, video font size you must selected 76, okay? Okay. If you want to use the effect, you must select this writing section and you press effects. Effects shadow. Shadows color you will change. Just I want to change with a white color, okay? Okay. Shadow, shadow color and white color, okay? Transparency. I want to increase here. Offset. You want to increase here. Okay. Transparency. I want to increase here. Okay, it's enough. It's my main heading word and subheading. Just add a subheading and I want to change according to my gig keyword. Full, full channel SEO. Okay. Just I want to change this enter and okay. You must use here more eye-catchy keyword. Okay. Okay. I want to change this color for this region. At first I select here and after color option I select yellow, not sorry. I want to use here deep green for this region. I want to customize this color. For this region, select here and customize color section. Okay. Okay. I think it is very nice and cute and beautiful. Okay. Just I want to cut around it. Just increase here. Okay. Full channel SEO after full channel keyword and keyword research. I write here keyword research for this region. I will select the text, add heading. You can also select add a subheading. Okay, it's not a matter. Full channel SEO, and I want to use keyword research. Keyword research, and I want to change this font for this region. Just okay. Okay, I want to change this color for this region. Select it after I click here. Yellow color is not perfect. It's not perfect. Yeah, it's perfect, I think. Okay, if you want here effects, it will be more nice and beautiful. For this reason, after selected that, I will select here shadow, shadows color, black, and offset. No, not black is not perfect. Red, okay, keyword research. And I want to write here full channel SEO, keyword research, channel audit, 100% organic. I want to write here 100% organic. For this reason, I want to change this color. After selecting that, I will select here color section and I will choose, no, it's not perfect, orange color. I want to customize this color. For this reason, okay, fine. It's very fine. I want to round here for this region. Just corner rounding. Okay. 100% organic. Text and heading 100% organic. Okay. I want to change this font just on top and here. Just minus this font size decreasing. Okay. YouTube video SEO expert, full channel SEO, keyword research, 100% organic. Okay. I want to use at last position 100% organic. Okay. I want to use another important keywords here. It must be important, very important keyword use here. Okay. Just at first I want to change this color. Sorry. Assalamu alaikum. Walaikum salam. जी रिहान